Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. It's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be using frozen samosas as we put together a trendy style stewed vegetable samosa soup. Most of you guys, if not all of you, will already be familiar with these samosas. For those of you who are not familiar with it, well, samosas are these triangular shaped dough filled with like potato, vegetable, chicken, or even beef. Usually they're fried and eaten with like a dip. And to be honest with you, I think they're a little bit addictive if you ask me. But why not use them in a way other than fried? We are all accustomed to seeing these fried samosas with the dip. Why not use it in another way? Well, it's like wontons. So we have wontons fried as well. We have wontons that are steamed. And we also have wontons in soup, right? We enjoy a wonton soup. Personally, I love wonton soup. So why not treat the samosa as we would wontons? So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing in this video. So we're basically just going to make that soup, stew soup, and we're going to be using these samosas like wontons or even as dumplings. So for those of you probably wondering, stew vegetable soup. To be honest with you, I actually remember eating stewed chicken soup from ever since I was younger, and it was always so delicious. Like chicken soup was made in a stew way and it was delightful. So why not make a stew vegetable soup? I'm going to be keeping it pretty simple in this video. Going to be using some potatoes, carrots, sweet peppers, pumpkin, but you can go a little bit extra, and if you want to even add ground provisions to it, by all means go right ahead. So of course we're going to be using the frozen samosas. Sorry guys, we're not going to be making these samosas in this video. That could be some other time, but you guys could get your hands on frozen samosas. They're actually quite readily available. So pick up a pack in the supermarket and put together this soup. So we're going to be basically cooking this as we would any other stew dish. We're going to be starting off by adding some of the oil and sugar to a pot. We're going to keep stirring it until it reaches that nice cake-like batter mixture. And then we're going to add in the ketchup, followed by the veggies. Mix it all up, add enough water to allow the vegetables to cook through. I'm also going to be adding the coconut powder and stir that in. If you have coconut milk, you can use that as well. So I added the carrots, the potatoes, the pumpkins first to give them some time to cook. Once they are halfway cooked through, I'm going to then add the onions, tomatoes, the garlic, and the pepper. The green seasoning goes in, followed by the all-purpose seasoning. Remember that has salt in it, so we won't need to add any extra salt. Once the veggies are all cooked through and there's enough sauce or liquid in your soup to your liking, I'm going to be adding those frozen samosas. Give them a few minutes to cook, then finish off by adding chopped celery and sage. And just like that, we've got a trendy style stewed vegetable soup. The full list of ingredients can be found on my website. Of course, you guys can check that out, but just remember, as with all recipes, you can adjust accordingly. So you can adjust the measurements according to your preference. Remember, this particular dish, you can add provisions as well if you want. Add more liquid or sauce to it, add more vegetables to it. As I always tell you guys, have fun in the kitchen, most importantly. So this now brings us to the end of that veggie lineup that I did for you guys, where we did a lot of different interesting and different, unique, unusual but delicious veggie options. I must say it was actually pretty fun putting together these dishes for you guys. All of the dishes were actually done using items that I had in my fridge, in my pantry cupboard, and I think that's what I like most about it, that challenge. Sometimes we find ourselves running to the grocery every time we run out of something, but mind you, we have 1,000 other things in the kitchen or in the pantry or in the fridge, and we just can't figure out what to use. So we have to go to the supermarket or the market to buy something else. I think it's important sometimes to make do with what you have, make sure and use it up before you go spend your money to get other things. So that's one of the good things I enjoyed about doing these videos. It's all stuff that I had right in my kitchen. I will post the link for all the other videos that I did down below in the description box, so you guys could go check out that video. Of course, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with all your friends and your family. Another simple dish for you guys to try out. Thanks as always for watching, always very much appreciated. I will see you guys in my next video. And remember, have fun in the kitchen.